Hi. In this video we're going to show you how to clean your Jura Giga X7. We're going to clean the milk system, which we recommend you do this at least once a day, especially at the end of the day. To clean the milk system, you need to press P at the top of the machine and press clean the milk system. It'll tell you how long it's going to take and what to do. And it says you need the Jura cappuccino cleaner, which you can buy at Canny Coffee. Press start. I've put 15 millilitres of Jura cappuccino cleaner, which you can buy at Canny Coffee, and I'm putting it into 250 millilitres of fresh water. Make sure there's a tub underneath the unit to catch any excess liquid. Press P on the top of the machine. Press clean the milk system. It'll tell you how long it's going to go for. Start. Tell you that you need the Jura maintenance products.
Wait.
You take the nozzle out of the milk cool control unit and put it into the jug of cleaning liquid and water. You then press next and it should do it for you. You then need to switch the jugs around and put the nozzle into the jug of just fresh water. Until you've done that by pressing next. And now your milk system's clean.